Ever wondered what life would be like to belong to a community where you didn't have to step out for anything, but where everything you need virtually comes to you? Welcome to Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, Brigade's 7th integrated township. 47 acres in all, and everything you experience here can be best described in 3 words: extraordinary, adaptable, and authentic. A future-ready, mixed-use township unparalleled in its design ethos and conceptualized to redefine the way you live, work, and play, while celebrating technology, sustainability, and wellness. Get ready to be amazed as I take you on this journey through Bengaluru's most loved integrated township. At Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, there's something for everyone. With studio, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments in several design variants and spread across 5 towers, you will find a home that matches your lifestyle and fits your budget. Smart and user-friendly designs have been used to plan the aesthetics of your home and the thoughtful amenities that greet you at every step. Extensive landscaping, along with separate access to residential towers, allow for maximum privacy and security as well. Come, let's take a closer look at what makes Brigade Cornerstone Utopia truly unique. When we were designing Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, we asked ourselves, how can we make technology relevant and meaningful to enhance the overall quality of life? Smart poles installed throughout the project that enable Wi-Fi access, emergency call service, and providing charging ports for all your electronic devices. And that's not all. We also have a smart app that helps you get more done with less. So, what does this app do, you might ask? Well, you can virtually do anything with just a tap of your smartphone. Book utility repair services, make maintenance payments, make a service request, contact the reception desk, or even book an EV people mover. Now, isn't that what smart lifestyle's all about? We are all familiar with the wonders that technology has brought us. But did you know that it can help in assessing the levels of pollution as well? Although the pristine environment here urges you to take a stroll anytime you want, an app-based monitoring system enables real-time access to information on air quality and the best time to enjoy the beautiful outdoors. You'd also be pleased to know that traffic movement within the township will be confined only to its periphery. And an eco-friendly people mover system will help you get around the community with ease. Well, when you're talking about a community the size of Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, it is but inevitable to talk about a comprehensive waste management system in the same breath. From segregation to recycling and even composting, we handle every kind of waste produced within the community appropriately and put it to good use. At Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, every minute detail is thoughtfully planned to create a sustainable way of life that we like to call the utopian life. Offsetting carbon emissions by planting trees and initiating alternate energy efforts help us in minimizing the negative effects of the carbon footprint generated. Every time it rains, the water is collected from the rooftops, filtered, and stored on the ground. This water will then be treated and tested, making it safe for drinking and cooking. All the surface runoff water is diverted into bioretention ponds across the township that recharge the groundwater supply. When it comes to water recycling, we use a high-tech sequencing batch reactor plant to accomplish this. After being treated and tested for purity, water is used for landscaping and in the toilets. We also bring you the advantages of triple plumbing system coupled with smart water meters for more efficient household water supply. At Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, we believe in energizing positive experiences for you. And this is why we harvest solar power to illuminate select common areas and landscape lighting. Tapping deeper into this renewable source of energy, we bring the power of the sun right into your home. Ever wondered what it would be like to have a forest in your backyard? Well, at Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, this is a living, breathing reality. You have your very own urban forest with more than 12,000 trees of 59 diverse species. This not only provides a bridge between our communities and nature, but more importantly, addresses some of the most pressing environmental issues of our time. Apart from all these fantastic features, Brigade Cornerstone Utopia has some of the most unique amenities that promote an active and healthy lifestyle. At Brigade Cornerstone Utopia, you're assured a unique lifestyle that's full of possibilities. But don't just take my word for it. Come, visit our state-of-the-art experience center today.